how to build a tool-centric onboarding process for new MSP technicians. If technicians don't feel confident using the tools they rely on every day, productivity slows, mistakes increase, and service consistency suffers. A tool-centric onboarding process fixes that problem by focusing training where it actually matters. In this video, we'll talk about what a tool-centric onboarding process entails and how to build this kind of training for your own teams. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The 6 stages of building a tool-centric onboarding process. Stage 1, Pre-Onboarding Preparation. All required accounts should already exist in the PSA, RMM, documentation platform, and security tools. These logins should be tested in advance to avoid password resets, MFA issues, or missing permissions during the first week. Role-based access must be applied carefully so technicians can do their job without unnecessary privileges. You should also provide a tool map or quick reference guide that shows new hires where each tool lives, how authentication works, and what role each system plays in the overall workflow. Stage 2, Automation-based tool readiness validation. Lightweight automation can prevent this by confirming that systems like the PSA, RMM, and documentation platform are accessible and responsive before a technician ever logs in. Here's a sample script that validates the accessibility of key systems by checking their health endpoints. Stage 3, Day 1 tool walkthrough. Technicians should be guided through login processes, MFA flows, dashboards, and navigation. Assigning small, low-risk tasks helps reinforce confidence and familiarity with the tools. Reviewing a ticket, locating documentation, or navigating alerts builds momentum without pressure. Stage 4, Role-based tool training. This stage is where technicians begin translating tool usage into operational discipline. Here's a brief rundown of the type of topics you'll want to cover. PSA training, ticket creation, time tracking, and SLA-based work prioritization. RMM training, remote session launches, script execution, health dashboard interpretation, and documenting actions for traceability. Documentation training, knowledge base maintenance, addressing informational gaps, and ticket documentation. Security tool training, alert severity, response expectations, and escalation paths. Stage 5, System integration awareness. Technicians should see a full workflow from start to finish. A ticket enters the PSA. The issue is resolved through the RMM, documentation is updated, and any related security alerts are logged and escalated. It's important to explain automation and dependencies. Missing ticket notes or poor documentation disrupts reporting, escalations, audits, and client communication. Technicians should also understand how trigger-based automations connect systems like the PSA and RMM to streamline workflows. Stage 6, Feedback and reinforcement. An end-of-week check-in helps identify what's clear and what's still confusing. Reviewing early tickets allows bad habits to be corrected before they stick. Pairing new technicians with a peer tool buddy creates a safe space for day-to-day questions, while short, ongoing check-ins help adjust pacing and reinforce confidence. When technicians are left to figure out tools on their own, uncertainty shows up in ticket quality, documentation accuracy, and escalation consistency. Tool-centric onboarding removes that uncertainty by making workflows explicit from the start. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to build a tool-centric onboarding process for new MSP technicians, linked in the description below.